Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the business of organizing your small business or office space. If you're one of the people who started their own business during the Great Resignation, this video might just be for you. It's likely that you're feeling overwhelmed and don't know where to start in your process of organization. First, let's pat ourselves on the back for starting a business. So let's get started and dive in so you can get started on the process of organizing your business. And let's set it up for success. There are 3 things to organize your small business. There are components of your business that you must prepare for the ups and downs of doing business. Because believe me, the roller coaster of doing business can be quite wild, but you can do it. The 3 things are your space or your office. Have a good look around your office space. Is it going to allow you to be as productive as possible? Are there a bunch of distractions all around you? Is it organized so that you know where everything is? Here are some tips for organizing your business. Whether you're working from home or in a brick and mortar office or you're renting your own space, these tips will help you. Have a designated space for everything. If you know where your things are, then you won't have to go looking for them. Have some good lighting. Good lighting uplifts your mood and makes you feel better, so be sure that your office is well lit. If your office is dim, you're going to find your energy starting to slowly drain, and you'll get tired quicker and want that coffee again. Working in a dimly lit space, you're going to let a few yawns escape. You're going to slowly melt. You get bonus points if you have some natural lighting in your office too. Good lighting enhances your productivity. In your office, less is more. The more stuff you have in your office, the more you'll find yourself moving things around, having to put stuff away in order to finally find what you're supposed to be working on. Moving around stuff in your office isn't efficient. Start to practice a little minimalism. Put things in their places. And then when you do that, you'll find that you'll already feel much more relaxed, and it's easier to get the things you need done. With an uncluttered office, you'll find it so much more easy to get your work done. In your office, have a reminder why you're there. There's a reason you decided to be a small business owner. It's important to stay aligned with that. Have a reminder of that somewhere in your office so you can look at it every day and remind yourself why you're doing what you're doing. Number 2, paperwork is the dread of existence for small business owners. You have 2 options. Either come up with an impeccable filing system or go paperless. Personally, I highly recommend the paperless option. Having your documents in place will help you stay on top of your clients and orders. Doing this will help you stay on top of your desk becoming a big cluttered mess and the dreadful paper stacks. When going paperless, it doesn't mean you avoid putting files in place. You still do, just it's on your computer instead, or in the cloud. The cloud's a great place to keep your backups. Have a way to organize your invoices, contact information, important document. Funny story. I once worked in an office a few years ago. They had 4 filing cabinets, each containing the same thing. And I asked them, why are we doing this? It's all on your computer. And everybody said, no, we have to do this. We have to do this. Anyway, for a while, I stopped doing it. And I just kept it on the computer. And those file cabinets were never opened. And I showed them, look, it's all here, because whenever they would ask me for something, I could pull it up. Keeping paper isn't good for the environment, and now that we are all digital, I think you could go paperless too. The 3rd thing is your mind. The most important thing to keep you organized is your mind. You are the one operating your business. The success of your business depends on you. If your mind's organized, mind is relaxed, and you are relaxed, and you take care of yourself, things will just fall into place. If you are personally unorganized, your business will also be unorganized. If your mind is cluttered, your business will be too. A good way to help your mind get organized is to start a journal. And journaling is great because on your desk it's in one place and you can refer back to it. You can make little check marks and lists of things that you need to remember to do, because sometimes your mind might just fail. So go ahead and journal it, mind map it, put it all down in your journal. This will help your mind rest easier at night because you know everything you're supposed to do will be there the next morning in your journal. As a small business owner, it's really easy to get overwhelmed. Simply choose one thing to get started on. It really doesn't matter which one. Make the decision and act on it quickly. Handle things once. A long time ago, I had a boss who taught me handle things one time. If it comes across your desk and you have to touch it, you've touched it. It's like hot lava. You got to work on it and just get rid of it. If you're organized, you can see it, whether it be an email or it's paper mail. Look at it, assess what needs to be done, whether or not you're going to work on it or whether someone else needs to work on it, what needs to happen, and then file it. Try to make your decisions as quickly as possible. And when I say make your decisions quickly as possible, I mean the little decisions. It all starts with little decisions. Once you're processing little decisions quicker, the bigger ones will come easier. As you practice this, eventually you're going to be able to take on a huge onslaught of requests and things, and it'll just be like boom, 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 and you'll get it done. It just takes little steps forward, and then you can make giant leaps ahead. And don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.